Like my son came up to me and asked me a question.
Yung aking anak, nagtanong siya sa akin,
Coke or Sprite?
Coke o Sprite?
1, 2, 3. Coke or Sprite? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sprite.